How to see pages I follow on Facebook. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, you need to tap open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Make sure that your Facebook is up to date and you are logged in into your Facebook account. To see all the pages that you follow on your Facebook, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is scroll to the very top. Navigate to the three horizontal lines at the top of your dashboard. In your menu section, you will see the option of Pages. Click on it. In here, you will find all of the pages that you have liked in your Facebook account. You can like more of the pages as similar to the page that you have liked before, or you can just tap on the remove button to remove the suggested page or the page that you follow. If this option is not available for you, that means your application is not up to date. In order to do so, just tap open your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. If there is an update button over here, click on it and let your application for an update. And it's a quick and easy video as well. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.